Hello everyone and welcome back to Clear Creek Solutions instructional videos. Today we're doing a video on WWHM. One of the features that are included in WWHM is very easy analysis of these large models. So you can see here we have a lot of junctions, nodes, subcatchments set up in a WWHM project, which can include EPA swim processing. So you can see here we have different nodes, we have junctions, we have outfalls, subcatchment areas. It's quite a large project. So how are we able to analyze flyover features such as the transect and graph very quickly in WWHM? So I'm going to go over that here. If you want to learn more about WWHM, we have a link down below in the description if you'd like to check out the different offers we have on the software and if it's a good fit for your stormwater projects. Anyways, let's get into the features. So if we run the project, I just ran this project here. You can select the event and event analysis. It was an 84-hour run in December 2015 from precipitation data that we imported. So now we can look at some of the results here. So if we click graph, this enables the flyover graph toggle in WWHM. So instead of having to select each element and graph it in a menu, we can actually fly over each element and the graph will actually show up as our mouse moves over the element. So with the junction here, you can see the depth versus the time of all the different elements. You can see that for the different connections, for the links, for the outfalls, even from the subcatchments to the different links. And so you're able to do that very quickly. So you can zero in on a specific spot in your project, and using the flyover feature, the flyover properties feature, we can select graph and actually quickly look between all of these to see if we're getting the proper results. You can do the same thing with the transect feature. So transect feature actually shows how full your different conduits and pipes were getting during the model run. You can see 1.298 feet out of 2.5 feet. You can see there it's indicated there. Then you can move on to the next link and see how full that pipe actually was, or the max depth during the model run. It's a very helpful feature, and you can do that for every link and node in your entire model. You can toggle between graph and transect by selecting it there. You can see for the junction, we have a different kind of graph. So we have 0.752 feet out of a 4.25 foot junction, or you can go back to the graph feature and view it there as well. This is a very helpful feature for quickly viewing data in WWHM itself. You can see this one was completely empty. This one had different degrees of fullness. Now, what if we want to see a profile of the various graphs in our project? Well, if we set profile here for a profile plot, we can select the start node. I'm just going to select B11-11 and select the end node here, or you can select the farthest node and click profile, and it'll actually profile that entire node connection for you. You can see you have a whole options and menu here. So you can show you over time what that profile looked like. So you can see the water, you can see it filling up during this large event and then coming back down for that entire 84-hour event that we selected. You can actually press play and watch this event in real time. So you can see it slowly fill up there. You can also select the time interval as well, or how fast it'll go. So if I wanted to go faster, you can select that there, or slower. So I'm going to select it to go fast, hit play again. So you can actually get a almost video sense of how this water elevation profile was changing from node B11-11 to B35-2. You could go to a specific location and see over time how that changes. You can stop it there or press play and move, or you can simply drag your mouse to see how it moves over time. So if you're able to see that one, that's great. You can go back to profile. You can change, you can add a profile plot. So let's say we wanted to go from here to the farthest node. We can plot that as well. You can see how that looks. You can see all the junctions, the links, it's indicated in the graph as you toggle there. And then again, you can use the graph feature to see it in real time and the transect feature to see the furthest depth that occurred during this entire event. So this is just one of the small features and analysis features that's included in WWHM. Very helpful for even if you're just running EPA swim, you want even further quick analysis. WWHM provides that utility for you, as well as having HSPF, WWHM 2012, BAM style elements in WWHM, allowing you to do hydrologic analysis, in-depth continuous hydrologic analysis combined with hydraulic analysis. So all those features are available in WWHM. So if you have any questions about WWHM, leave it in a comment down below and we'll answer it. You can also check out WWHM there in the link if you want to learn more about the software. So thank you so much for watching. And anyways, we will see you guys next time.